What's going on, guys? And this year at CES 2018, HP released a latest Spectre, which is the Spectre x360. Now you could get it configured in two types, either the 15-inch or the 13.3-inch. Now the one that we're looking at right now is the beautiful 15.6-inch display, and the display itself is 4K with a resolution of 3840 by 2160. The thickness of the laptop is around 19.45 millimeters, and the weight it's going to be around 4.6 pounds. For power, you can get it configured with the Intel i7 8th generation quad-core processor with the Radeon RX Vega M graphics card. For storage, you could get it configured up to 2 terabytes of PCIe solid-state drive. And for memory, you could get it configured up to 16 gigs. Now, I think this is the capacity, but I'm only assuming for now. Now, some other features that the Spectre x360 has is an IR thermal sensor, which measures the laptop's temperature over time to control airflow and keep your PC cool to the touch. Now, I've seen this when Dell announced the new XPS 13, so it looks like a lot of these laptops that are coming out this year are going to have this advanced thermal technology. The keyboard itself is backlit for those individuals that like to work in dim light rooms. The Spectre x360 also supports fast charging, which is a great thing. It also supports 2 external 4K displays. Now the HP Spectre x360 has a lot of ports. On the right hand side, you're going to get your volume control, a fingerprint reader. You're going to get 2 Type-C Thunderbolt ports and also an HDMI port. On the other side, you're going to get your 3.1 USB, which is a Type A, your power button, as well as a combo audio jack, which allows you to hook up a headphone/mic, and don't forget about your SD card reader. Now for battery, HP is kind of advertising that it's going to last about 13 hours and 30 minutes. And if you're doing like full HD video playback, it's going to be around 12 hours and 15 minutes. So I definitely need to get that into the lab and test that stuff out for you to see if it's actually going to last about 13 to 12 hours. Now for audio, the HP Spectre x360 now has this new technology from Bang & Olufsen, which enhances your audio experience when you're listening to music or anything within your Spectre x360. Overall, guys, I definitely need to get the Spectre x360 in the lab and test it out to get my really hands-on into this. But so far, it's a great machine. It's like a lot of these machines that are coming out for this year looks like they're following what Lenovo's done with their Yoga lineup. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Leave comments right below, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.